Storm Tracker Center, an update to Hurricane Sally. Rain has been almost non-stop east of Interstate 65 and especially right along the coast as rain bands have been moving from offshore to onshore and moving in an east to west direction, wrapping counterclockwise around the center of Sally. You can see the heaviest rain down around Gulf Shores, lighter rain up around Interstate 10, including in Daphne, Spanish Fort, and Gateswood. Mobile County, Grand Bay, Biola Battery, Dauphin Island dealing with rain. West Mobile starting to get a little bit, but once you go north of that, you are completely dry. Now, as far as Sally itself, it is a Category 1 hurricane. It weakened overnight. It has weakened even more since our 1 a.m. update. The maximum sustained winds are now at 85 miles per hour, and it's tracking northwest at 2. So the movement has gotten slower. The flood threat and the storm surge threat remains the same. The track, little change, although expected to be weaker. Originally, it was supposed to make landfall with maximum sustained winds at 100 miles per hour. Now we will see that happen at 70 miles per hour. It will drop from a hurricane to a tropical storm late tonight. From late tonight into tomorrow afternoon. So notice in that 12-hour window, Sally's not going to move much. So even though the wind speeds are weaker, which is good, it's still going to dump a lot of rain, and it's still going to bring in a lot of storm surge. You're talking about big pushes of offshore to onshore flow for anyone that's east of the center. Yes, the wind speeds will weaken, and that's good, but you're still going to have a lot of opportunity for a lot of rain and a lot of flooding in a lot of locations. Flooding and storm surge by far are going to be the greatest threats you face with Hurricane Sally, but by tomorrow afternoon, it should be a strong tropical storm, the center of which is expected to move right over the Alabama-Mississippi state line and then hook its way to the east, north of Stockton and north of Spanish Fort. That would put this thing literally moving right over Mobile as a tropical storm during the afternoon hours on Wednesday, and then we'd see it out of our area during the night, Wednesday night, and before Thursday morning. We're going to talk a lot more about this coming up at 4:30 as we begin the Fox 10 Morning News.